In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the brake pedal pad on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Grab under the pad and pull it off of the pedal. We're going to install the new one. We're going to install the top first. I'm going to get it over, pull it down, and pull the lip over the pedal. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.